Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. The title of our today's video is How to Automate Google Ads Lead Notifications on Discord. So I'm running a business and I'm using Google Ads to promote my business. And I wish that as soon as a new lead is added in my Google Ads, automatically an alert message should be sent to my Discord channel too. For this, we are going to create a connection between Google Ads and Discord. To create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing automation software. So in Pabbly, we have the concept of trigger and action. For trigger, we are going to use Google Ads, and for action, we are using Discord. So if you also wish to learn this process step by step, follow me through the screen. Welcome to my screen. So as you know, in this video, we are going to learn how to automate Google Ads lead notifications on Discord. For this, we are going to create a connection between our Google Ads account and our Discord account. To create this connection, I have opened the landing page of Pabbly simply by searching pabbly.com/connect in my browser. It is very easy. So as soon as you'll open the landing page of Pabbly, you will get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month. But I am an existing user, so I am going to click on sign in. And now it is opening all Pabbly apps. Over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we are connecting two applications, which is Google Lead Ads and Discord. So I'm going to click on Access Now. And now it is opening my dashboard. And to start with the automation, I'm going to click on this button right over here, which says Create Workflow. And now it is asking me the workflow name and the folder I want to save the workflow in. So I want to save the workflow in this folder which says automations, and I want to name my workflow as Automate Google Ad Leads Notification on Discord. And then we are going to click on create, and now it is opening the most important window of our automation, that is our workflow window. This is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. By this you can understand that the trigger is the commander for the workflow and actions follow the commands. And as you know that we can have only a single commander but multiple followers. So over here we can have only a single trigger but multiple actions following the commands of our trigger. So now we are going to select our trigger application, which would be Google Ads, because I want that as soon as a new lead is submitted in my Google Ads, automatically my workflow should be triggered. So I'm going to search for Google Ads and select it. And then for the trigger event, we are going to select new lead form entry. And now it is giving me a webhook URL to connect my Google Ads account with my Pabbly's workflow. So first we are going to copy this URL and then we are moving on to the Google Ads account. And as you can see that this is my Google Ads account and I'm creating my campaign. But this is a draft campaign, so I'm going to receive the dummy leads or the test lead only. If you are running a live campaign, you are going to receive the real leads. So first we are going to open our campaign and then we are going to scroll a little. And then from add features to your ads to get more clicks, we are going to click on see more. And over here we are going to select lead forms and click on add the asset. And over here we are going to create a lead form. So for the lead form, I want to select the name, the phone number and the email. After that, we are going to move on forward and then we are going to select the lead delivery options. So I'm going to open this. And over here it is asking me for the webhook URL and the key. So we are going to paste the webhook URL we copied from our workflow. And then we are going to enter the key. After entering both of these, I am going to click on send test data so that I can receive the dummy response. And yes, you can see test data sent. This means that the DATS testing tool has sent our data to our workflow. So I'm going to open my workflow and we'll check that if Pabbly has captured the response or not. And yes, you can see that Pabbly has captured the response. Over here you can see the first name, the phone number and the email. This means that my test data is captured by Pabbly successfully. So now my trigger step is successful and I am moving on to our action step. For our action application, I am going to select Discord because I want that as soon as a new lead is received in my Google Ads, automatically my community on Discord should be notified. So I am going to search for Discord and select it. And now for the action event, I am going to select send channel message. And then we are again going to click on connect. And as you can see, connected right over here. This means that we have created a connection between our Discord and our Pabbly's workflow. But to create this connection successfully, we have to enter the webhook URL right over here. So to get the webhook URL, we are going to open our Discord and then we are going to select our server. After selecting our server, we are going to click on this drop down menu and then the server settings. And then from the server settings left sidebar, we are going to go on integrations. And then over here you can see webhooks. So we are going to click on view webhooks. And as you can see that I've created a lot of webhooks. But if you wish to create a new webhook, you can click on create new webhook right over here and create your own. I'm going to use one from this only, which is this, new leads. So I'm going to open this, and as you can see the name of my webhook is new lead, and over here I've also connected my channel I want to send the message to. So you have to keep in mind that you have to select your channel right over here in which you want to send the message. After selecting the channel and giving my webhook a name, I created a webhook, and over here I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And as you can see, copied, and now we are going to paste this webhook URL in our workflow. And yes, you can see that we have successfully pasted it, and now it is asking me for the message. So I want the message to be this: hello team, we have received new lead from Google Lead Ads, and these are the details: name, email and phone number. Make sure that we don't miss this lead and we connect with this lead as soon as possible. So over here you can see that I have left some of the fields blank in front of name, email and phone number. I have left these blank because I want to map this. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And as you know, our previous step was the trigger step where we selected Google Ads as our trigger application. So I'm going to map the details from the response of my trigger application only. So as soon as I'm going to map these details will turn dynamic and change with every new lead submitted, and will make my workflow to run in real time. And now we are going to map it. So first name, so I'm going to open the response and map the name, which is a demo name, and then we are going to map the email and then the phone number. So after mapping all these details, we are moving on forward to the bot name. So I want the bot name to be new leads received. And then for the bot icon, I don't wish to add a bot icon. If you wish, you can paste the URL of the JPG, GIF or PNG you want to add as a bot icon. And then it is asking me for the text to speech. So I will keep it as disable only, and then we are going to click on save and send test request. And yes, you can see that we have received a positive response that our details has been sent as a message to our Discord. So I'm going to open my Discord and check that if we have received the message or not. And yes, you can see, hello team, we have received a new leads from Google Lead Ads. And here are the details: the first name, email and phone number. All of these details are dummy. And then make sure that we don't miss this lead and we connect this lead as soon as possible. This means that my workflow is successful, and now I'll just summarize the workflow for you once. For a trigger application, I selected Google Ads. For a trigger event, I selected new lead from entry. Pabbly gave us a webhook URL, so we used this URL to create a connection between our Google Ads and our workflow. And then with the help of Google Ads, I sent in test data, which was not the live data because I'm not running a live campaign. My campaign is in draft mode. That's why I received the test data over here as a response. So if you are running a live campaign, you're going to get the response of the latest leads captured. And then we moved on to our action step. For our action application, I selected Discord. For the action event, I selected send channel message. We connected our Discord account with our Pabbly's workflow just by simply pasting the webhook URL we got from our Discord account. And then we entered the message and then the bot name. And then again we clicked on save and send test request. And over here you can see the message I sent during this video. So if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. And for your reference, I'll just clone the workflow and share the workflow link in the description box. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly, you can integrate many more applications. So now, if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find our videos helpful, do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.